The Academic Success Program supports students through their experience in law school. We provide them with the critical skills necessary to be successful in law school and hopefully on the bar exam as well. And in order to do that, we offer a number of services and programs to students. So the students will see me during Immersion Week, which is our orientation week. I'll be running around and talking to them a little bit about some of the basic things in terms of prepping for classes. Furthermore, in the fall, they have skills workshops which focus on reading, briefing, note-taking, outlining, so preparing for exams and also preparing for class, which are critical skills for law school. But then also, even though they've done this in the past, they have to adjust and focus in on certain things, and so we provide them with the opportunity to do that. We also have a teaching assistant program with TAs that we hire for civil procedure and torts in the fall and property in the spring, and those teaching assistants are upper-level students who've done well in those particular classes and have done well academically in law school, so they can serve as mentors and support systems for those students. I meet individually with students on a weekly, bi-weekly, or even just a one-time basis for students who have general questions and want to demystify some of their concerns or ask specific questions about preparing for class or exams for first-year law students. We have the Bar Vendor Fair, which is offered each fall. It's an opportunity, I think, for first-year law students to get a sense of what's available and maybe what resources might be available to assist them currently while they're in law school. I encourage them maybe not to commit to a bar review program immediately, but to get some general information and maybe commit more so as a 2L. Of course, probably about half of our students take the bar exam in Michigan, and then another half is out of state. And so for the Michigan students, I think they have a lot of support in the sense that we're physically in the state and they have more immediate contact with recent grads that they can talk to about bar review programs, talk about studying for the bar exam and taking the bar exam. But we're still also able to support those students who take the bar exam outside of Michigan. We have a variety of students who have taken different bar exams. I try to collect information at the end of each July bar exam about suggestions, support, advice from those students who have recently taken the bar exam. Also, I serve on various committees on a national level that deal with bar review and bar preparation, so I try to stay abreast of those issues and have colleagues that I can always kind of ask questions or direct students to. I also go through the process of definitely supporting students as they apply for bar exams in terms of looking up the requirements of particular jurisdictions, and so I ask students to make appointments early and to tell me what jurisdictions they're considering and what questions they may have, so I can do some research before we meet so we can have a productive and effective meeting.